Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Social app shift UI inside me to today we need to create here the on notifications screens and login screen. We need to develop these two screens today. First of all, so we need to see here the how to write down these screens UI. We need to inside our course. Let's first we need to create here the logins folders inside. We need to create here the new files and to give this name here the step 4 view. We need to give this name like step 4. Now we need to create this shift UI file and we need to copy here the password screen. We need to copy here and now need to go step 4. Need to paste this here and need to remove the show password. Close this here and now need to no needs here the back buttons is here, and then afterwards we need to create the here that as a center top padding. Also write down here the spacers and need to remove this external needs, and now need to set here the titles turn on notifications. Give these titles here, and then after another titles we need to create here copy this text and to paste this here and to change this name. Allow notifications titles need to give this here the button name, and now need to set here the one text here. Write down here get the most out of company by staying up to. Give here the new lines for the years and to date with what happening. Now need to create it this here the, and one more things we need to button develops here. Need to copy this here and to create here the skip button to give this name skip for now, and need to set here the primary tag. Tab colors need to give this here, and to set here the medium, and need to set here the lady. Now UI loads and need to first of all the set here the text. Need to fix this here the font size. I need to set here the font and regulars for this text, and to set here the regular font. Now need to get this here and need to increase this here the bottom heights. Need to give here the padding. Set here the bottom and to set like here the 15. Copy this here and to same as we need to pass this here the space here. No needs here the bottom. Sorry for that. Already here near the space. Hello. And we need to set here bottom padding is a 15. Need to set this here and to display look likes, and this screen are the done, and to configure here the next. Now need to develop here the login screen. Need to develop, need to create new files to give this name here. Login view. Now need to create here the new zip files, and we need to see here the designs look like this. Create this designs here. We need to similar to this new create password screen are the similars. Now need to create copy this password screens and to put this here. Now need to go steps 3 screen view, and we need to copy this all data again and to paste this here. Set the login view and to set this here, and now need to set here the name txt emails. We need to give this here, and now need to set as a titles. Now need to set the login, and now need to set here the round fields. Need to give this here, and need to set here the placeholders. We need to give as an email, and so passwords property are the remove this here, and to set here the keyboard type. Maybe we need to do here round it fields like this set here, and to set here the property need to give here the txt email, and here we need to set here the txt password, and now to show pass with this like titles, and next button to need to write down here the login buttons. We need to create this here. Now need to unused codes are the remove here. Now need to go step 4 and need to need this here the skip buttons. We need to copy this logic here and to put inside here the logins, and to give this name as a forget passwords. Need to set this here name as a forget password. Forgot password. Like this, we need to give this name here, and need to set this here, and to set here the minimum height. Like this, we need to set here the this UI, and one more thing we need to develop here. We need to copy here the stack. Now need to copy this stack, paste, and need to set here the primary text colors, and to give here the titles. Don't have a account. Like this, and to create here the another buttons. Need to here the need to copy this here, convert into the navigation link, and to set this here the step 1 screen view, we need to use this here, and to rename this here the names we need to set as a sign up, and to set here the regular. Also need to set here the regular font, and need to give the spacers figures, and to set this like, and to remove here, and to give here the bottom paddings you need to give this here bottom, and to use here the bottom insets plus we need to give here the 50, and like this we need to set this here, and to give here the center, and to remove this height, this data here, and to this here. Now I'm waiting for the loading this UI, and to check this UI are the working goods, no any issue. First of all, need to set here the placeholders are the remaining, like this emails this here, and to set here the type, dot email address need to give this keyboard types here, and now need to give here the bottom logins, need to set this like, forget passwords buttons are the yes after the place, to remove this here the minimum heights, and to and now this is the login UI screen at the done, and next video inside need to flutter, need to create here the bottom tab bars, need to develop with as well as need to tab view, need to set in the next video. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. One more thing you need to remaining here to set this configuration of the login button flow, and next screens do not gives go inside the welcomes, and first of all need to set this here the this login buttons need to change, give this like here the navigations link, and to like this set here login view, and now need to set, and we click here the logins, and to opens here the nav bars, and to configure this here. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.